Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting. Please have a look at the question. Many students get confused looking at this type of question. And if you know the correct answer of this question, please analyze it. Write your answer in the comment box and watch this video till end. What is asked? Square root of cube root of 121. If you check carefully, cube root of 121 is not a perfect cube. If you do prime factorization of 121, this is just 11 times 11, right? And why we are making this video, that you cannot find cube root of 121, but how this square root is related to this cube root, that is what we are going to learn. So we will clarify all the basics about this question. First of all, we should know that, let's suppose you have square root of x. I'm just taking general value. Square root of x can be written as x to the power 1 over 2 if we want to write in terms of exponents. Square root can be written as x power 1 over 2. If we have cube root, it can be written as x to the power 1 over 3. Both gives you same result. These are just an alternate way of writing. The roots or surds can be written in terms of fractional exponent. In general, if I talk about the rule, this is the rule. Nth root of x is equal to x to the power 1 over n. This is the first rule which will be used. Everybody should be aware. And second rule, let's suppose given question is there, square root of cube root. That means square root and cube root both are coming together. If I combine them, see, first of all, I am having this value 121 cube root, right? Now further square root of this value, that means this is the actual situation which I need to find. Square root of this cube root. Now the way we have learnt it how to write, this can be written as 121 to the power 1 over 3. Right? There is no confusion about it. Now further square root I am having, what can I write? 121 is having exponent 1 over 3. Now if I remove this square root, I can write it as power 1 over 2. See, I am doing very slow, each and every step I am showing. Now firstly I converted this cube root into power 1 over 3. Then square root is also removed. I have written as a power of 1 over 2. Now I'm removing these two things and completely exponent rule I am going to use. 1 over 3 and 1 over 2, you can multiply them and can write 1 over 6 also. You can multiply and can write them 1 over 6, 121 power 1 over 6. Now 121 can be written as 11 square. So it becomes 11 square to the power 1 over 6. This 2 and 6 can be cancelled, so I get 11 to the power 1 over 3. Again using the reverse rule, if this is 1 over 3, I'm writing here, it can be written as cube root of 11, which gives me C option as an answer. This is the basic concept behind it. We should know that how cube root can be written as power 1 over 3, square root can be written as power 1 over 2 to learn the basics behind it. But in shortcut, because usually everybody demands that what is the shortcut to do this method, then in short, do remember, if you find square root of cube root or you find cube root of square root of the same number, you will get same answer. For example, if you are finding cube root of 121 then square root, or you are finding square root of 121 then cube root, both are same. You can think in your mind, okay, they have told to find square root of cube root, I will find cube root of square root. If you will find cube root of square root of 121 is 11, directly you will get the answer. But the point is not only to learn this particular concept, otherwise it becomes a cramming. Concept should be clear. And this question may arise in your mind that why this is so. Square root of cube root and cube root of square root, why they are equal? I can also explain that. How? Because let's suppose I am solving left side This is 121 to the power 1 over 3, as I explained earlier. And now if you remove the further bracket, this is what you get, 121 to the power 1 over 3 power 1 over 2. Solve the right side. This is 121 to the power 1 over 2, and then cube root is there. Now solve. Instead of cube root, I can write 1 over 3. Now you check, 1 over 3 multiplied with 1 over 2, it is 1 over 6, right? And here also you get power 1 over 6. Both values are same. Hence we get the same answer. So you can do it by shortcut also, but make sure in mathematics concept should be clear always. Thank you so much for watching today's video.